How do different types of drives differ? For this purpose, let's start with a common example. In this case, this is a 3.5-inch mechanical drive, also known as an HDD with a SATA connection. Why is it called a mechanical drive? Because of what it has inside. Inside the drive, there are spinning platters and small needles, called read and write heads, that move across the surface to read the information stored on the disk. Since the platter spins and the heads move physically, this type of drive is considered mechanical. This format is known as 3.5 inches, and it typically connects to the computer using a SATA interface. Now, besides these 3.5-inch drives, we also have 2.5-inch SATA mechanical drives. Why are they different? Mainly because they are smaller. These drives contain a smaller platter and a more compact design. You will generally find these 2.5-inch mechanical drives in laptops where space is more limited. Now, earlier I mentioned SATA. What exactly is SATA? Many of us have probably seen these before. These are the SATA cables used to connect storage drives to the computer. One cable supplies power and the other cable transfers data, meaning the information stored on the drive. After traditional mechanical drives, another type of storage appeared that still used the SATA connection. These are the 2.5-inch SSD drives. They are called 2.5 inches because the size follows the same standard as the mechanical drives, so they fit in the same slots and mounting spaces. However, inside they are completely different. As you can see, they no longer have moving parts. Instead, they contain a circuit board with memory chips where the information is stored, along with controllers that manage how the data is written and read. After those SSDs, we move to another format. These drives use what is called an M.2 connection. In this example, it is still M.2 with SATA, meaning the physical connector is M.2, but the communication protocol is still SATA. Finally, we reach the most powerful type in this sequence. These drives are also M.2, but instead of SATA, they use NVMe. NVMe drives connect directly to the PCI Express lanes of the motherboard, allowing them to transfer data much faster. So if we rank these drives by speed and technological evolution, we start with the slowest mechanical drives, then SATA SSDs, and finally the fastest option, NVMe M.2 drives. And that progression shows how storage technology has evolved to become faster, smaller, and more efficient over time.